Hi there. This is going to be my first visit of something beautiful. What is this place? I will keep it secret so you can see it for yourself. So I'll quickly make my way towards this place. You can hear some noise, probably you can get some idea what I'm about to. So first of all I have to make a little jump. If I make the jump. So So I think I have to go to the other side of this water. So I'll jump from here to this side, and I made my way on this. So I mean, I can't describe it much, you can see it for yourself.